I'm here today in Rome as a speaker at the conference on unlocking the power of AI.
Well, the Assaia Conference is a fantastic platform to meet like-minded people and talk about how we can innovate and utilise new technologies.
For us in EasyJet, we talk about the Holy Trinity. That's our flight deck, our cabin crew, and our ground crew, all talking about the same thing. And Assaia is a real central part of how we do that. And this year's big aim is take 4 minutes off the turn, so delighted that Assaia are helping us do that.
It's a pleasure to host Assaia User Conference here in Rome, in our Innovation Hub. It's the second time that all the clients of Assaia are together, and we are happy and proud that in these days we are working in order to increase the punctuality and the performance of the industry.
I'm here today at the Assaia Conference to share with others about how I've used the Assaia tool at Air Transat in Toronto especially to improve operational excellence, improvements in our safety record and collaboration across all stakeholders. For us here at British Airways, we're just on the start of our Assaia journey, whilst we're using it for time stamping. For me personally, as the head of Heathrow Safety, I'm really interested to learn how we can utilise this in the safety space.
I'm here to exchange use cases with airlines and airports to get the best turnaround possible. And I also spoke today about working with all stakeholders in the ecosystem to get the best on-time performance. And what we've seen at JFK T4 is that we saw a 2% on-time performance increase after working with those stakeholders.
I'm really here to explore how being more efficient on the ground can contribute to the reduction in carbon emissions at the airport.
So I've joined this event for the first time, really excited to be here. The energy is magnetic.
Very interested to learn from our other colleagues at different airports, understanding their operation, and hopefully bringing them back to Toronto's operation myself.
It was amazing to hear some industry insights on existing use cases that's already out there with the different airlines and airports that Assaia has already developed the technology for.
I'm here essentially in my role to learn from other users, other community members in aviation about the best way to implement this and extract the most value from what is an incredibly valuable tool to provide the data insights to make our industry more efficient, safer, and more profitable and successful for all of us.
I was here to speak about safety, the way that we use data today currently, and then what we're going to be doing for the future. And the future is bright.